So hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to fix Outlook keep asking for the password. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your application asking for the password, so you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. For this guys, first of all, check your password. So make sure you are entering the correct password. So guys, to verify if your password is not working on your application, so you try to verify it on the browser. For this, simply open your Chrome. Here you simply go to the outlook.live.com. Okay, here I am currently logged in already. So I'm open in incognito mode. Here you simply search the Outlook. Okay, after that, here you log in with your uh, right credentials. Go here, sign in. Okay, here you continue to sign in. Okay, so here you enter your mail. So guys, after enter the mail, tab next. Okay, here you see it asks for the password. If you enter the password and you fails login, so guys try to reset your password. Means just forget your password and follow all the steps like OTP catches and you just forget your password. Okay. Then guys you try to check your internet connection. Poor internet connection can also cause the authentication error. So make sure that you have the proper and the good internet connection. For this, simply swipe down and turn on your airplane mode once and turn it on again. Okay. Still having the issue? So guys, you try to update your application. For update the application of the Outlook, simply open the Play Store. In the Play Store section, guys, simply go for search. Here you go Outlook Mail. Just click it and out update it. Okay. Then guys, you move to the another step, which is remove and re-add your email account. For remove and re-email your account, you simply go to your Outlook app. Okay, and click here. Guys, go for the settings. In the settings, guys, here you check your account and add, and you just remove this account. Okay, and guys, still having the issue. So guys, you try to uninstall your application once and reinstall it again. For uninstalling, simply long press on your app and uninstall your application and download from the Play Store again. Still having the issue, so guys you try to disable your battery optimization. For disabling the battery optimization, simply open the Play Store, simply swap and go to the control section, and guys here you see the option of device battery saver, so make it is turned on. Okay, so guys these are the things that you can done. And guys, still having the issue, so guys you try to restart your phone. So this refresh your authentication services. For restarting, again go in control section and guys click app info and turn it off. So guys, these are the basic things that you can done. And guys, thank you and guys have a nice day and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.